Hi guys. I sorry I didn't realize I was recording in mute all this time. This is my third take. So Infi earnings came out today, and it looks like AI companies are Indian IT services are slowly getting into AI. Now what? So that changes my narrative for Q2, because like I'm saying it always, I'm repeating it always. AI is going to kill this traditional uh, service-based industry. What all these AI companies, or what all the service-based companies rely on, outsourcing of tedious tasks, outsourcing of consulting tasks, it could easily be replicated with AI, you know. So that is what our main focus is of AI. Our main focus is with AI, with this services company. And TCS, I mean, sorry, what Infi earnings did came out today. It beat, it didn't beat expectation what revenue and profit. But my main concern with is always going to be how Infi's AI business is going to be. Increase AI business is going to be because how much of its revenue will be produced by AI, and that is what has led to Wipro's crash. Wipro's crash because Wipro didn't produce that good of an AI. They did beat revenue and profit compared to previous quarter and year to year. AI revenue wasn't that good, and that was leading to its c- no was leading to its crash. So Wipro is one of the worst AI service-based IT company in the world, and it is minded. I think I much rather I it feels very bad to come out of my mouth. I would much rather invest in internal in this price compared to. I would much rather be prefer to be invested in external at this price. Around like 211 than it Wipro, which is little bit undervalued which is little bit undervalued right now. I would prefer because at least that business is little bit modernized. It has little bit of what. It is still relying on outdated art services. So that is what. Mm, uh, so you want to if you want to take how Infy reported its AI revenue. Reported its Infosys reported uh, Q1 FY27 results today, and AI-led revenue contributed 8.25 percentage of total revenue, sharply from 5.5 uh, on the total quarterly revenue. Uh, Out of that total this is what their actual revenue is. I think it's 5 billion. It's just 5 billion. That puts AI-linked revenue roughly at uh, total quarterly revenue. Wait, what is the revenue? How much revenue did it generate? Wait, that was a question. What revenue did Infi generate? One second. Infi, yes. It generated 49 crore revenue. 49 crore. And okay, so this is total revenue. Do this again. So AI-led revenue contributed 8.2 percentage of Infosys revenue. Total revenue in Q1 FY25 up uh, uh, from 5.5. Total quarterly revenue is around 48,221 crores. That puts AI linked revenue up roughly around 814 for the quarter. And so this is what investors actually care about. This tone, what guidance has been showing. This is what investors were carefully noting. The how much of this, like answer, what if you look at if you look at TCS reported its earnings. Um, when did TCS report its earnings? I have to check when did TCS reported its earnings. When TCS report July 9th. So TCS reported its earnings on July 9th. Ever since July 9th, Infosys has TCS has rose what uh, TCS has rose around 10%. 10% it has rose since the run because it did beat its expectation of its AI revenue. Its AI business is being strong contributor to its workforce. And that is what investors have been especially been focused on. And that same narrative we can say with we can say same with we can say the same with Infosys. Infosys AI revenue was up, but not as expected to TCS. TCS generated 13.6 billion, 13.6% increase quarter on quarter, and AI is so that is what investors were focused on. AI movement is slowly being captured on. And like I said, how market works, even if it is a slight word about AI, you just say A, and after 5 seconds you say I, market will go bollocks. So I am interested how AI, uh, I'm more interested how will market react to this. Will it be, will it react to its positivity or negativity? Because I'm repeating, I'm repeating it again. Because of course we all know TCS Infosys was going to produce great earnings, but but we have to be focused how much of its revenue was coming from AI. At the same say we can say with Infosys also, how much of its revenue will come from AI. And it is slight, not that much of its revenue has come, but it has improved. So we have to see because I am still not sure how market will react. My my guess is it will slightly react positively to it because of its earnings news. So we'll see. And today is my crypto position. I have taken a short today morning. You know that got stopped out. I got stopped out. So it's okay. I'm waiting for price now. I'm waiting for price action to like give me a confirmation of the crash. Give me a confirmation of the crash. Give me a confirmation of the crash from here, and then I will take up. I'll take up new position. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.